Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing this rainbow look. If you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So, well, let's get into the tutorial. So for this look, I'm going to be using mostly the BH Cosmetics 28 Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to be using all this pink row. For my transition color, I added these two colors. And I'm going to work my way into the darker colors. And I'm going to apply them also on the crease. The only color that I'm not going to use is the last brown one, since I just want to keep this look more into the pinks. If I add a brown, it's going to change the whole look, the whole view of the look, and we don't want that. I just want it more on the pinks. That's why I'm not going to use that color. So now we want to add more definition to the pink, and we're going to grab the Jeffree Star's Beauty Killer palette, and we're going to use the shade Star Power. So now to cut the crease, I'm going to be using the MAC NC35 concealer, and the brush that I'm using to apply that, it's the Morphe M170-2, and I'm just going to apply that really gently so I won't mess up. And I'm going to clean the extra excess from the brush, and what I have left, I'm just going to blend it into the pink. That's how you're going to get that blending effect. So now I'm going to grab this kind of purple grayish shadow, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of the lid, and I'm going to blend it into the pink. And I'm just going to add a little bit more of that pink that we used before, and I'm just going to blend everything together, and that's how we're going to get a purple shade color. So now I'm going to change palettes, and I'm going to be using the Sulu palette from the Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using this turquoise color. And I'm going to apply that color on the outer corner of the lid, and I'm going to blend all those colors together. Now we're going to add more of that previous shade we used before, and I'm just going to apply that on the center of the lid. This will help your shades look more blended, and it also adds more definition to the colors. Now for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm just going to place it just like this. And for my waterline, I'm also going to be using the NYX Black Pencil Liner. I had applied a white pencil on the waterline, but I didn't like how it looks, so that's why I changed it up to the black. Well, this is it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. I know this video was a little bit short. I just didn't want it to add my whole face products, but in the next video I'll sure will. And like I said, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't so, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.